Now we are going to learn about the new chapter, anatomy of flowering plants, right? Previous chapter name क्या था? Morphology, right? Morphological features, the external appearance जिसमें हम देखते हैं roots, stem, leaves, branches, right? Birds are there, flower, fruit, seeds. That parts we have learned in the which one? Previous chapter. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about that anatomy. Anatomy meaning internal structure. Internal structure, if we want to see the or observe the internal structure, we have to do what? We have to take what? Sections, right? We have to take their sections. Once we take their section, and sections are of two types. It can be the longitudinal section or it can be the transverse section, right? Which one is the best one to study all the internal structure? Transverse, right? Which one? Transverse. Transverse हम learn करेंगे. So in that outline that will be the which one? Circular in shape. राइट फिर इसके नेक्स्ट कौन सा लेयर है देन नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट विच लेयर सेंटर में क्या है दैट ऑल थिंग वी कैन एबल टू नो while taking which section transverse section clear so in this chapter we are going to learn about the transverse section of root stem and leaf right before that here that's we are going to learn about the plant tissues right cells together form tissue cells interactions form the tissue in that here tissue system is formed right tissue system that is divisible into first of all tissue system that is divisible into three parts first part in that the covering part is there epidermal tissue system right epidermal tissue system next one that is the ground tissue system and the last one vascular tissue system right epidermal ground and the which one vascular now epidermal meaning over here outermost layer epidermis right dermis का meaning क्या होता है we have learned echinodermata derma epi skin outermost हुआ so epidermis dermis meaning what skin outer which is outer तो epidermis epi meaning भी क्या है outer right so this outer covering of plant organs root stem and leaf that we call epidermis right तो ये epidermis में क्या है leaf है तो मान लो वहां पे स्टोमेटा मिलेंगे right you know cuticle सुना है ना cuticle का रोल क्या होता है it's a waxy layer it allows the water movement no waxy layer है lipidaceous जैसा it does not allow the water right so कहाँ पे होना चाहिए रूट में नहीं लीव्स है स्टेम है ना तो वो वेरिएशंस हमें मिलेंगे when we performing the sections for the root stem and leaf that is the part of the which one epidermal tissue system clear next that is the innermost part यहाँ पे हम देखें तो हमें यहाँ पे मिलते हैं xylem and phloem sorry xylem and phloem right so xylem and phloem है xylem and phloem that form the core part right that's from the vascular cambium vascular tissue part इसमें vascular cambium भी आएंगी cambium we will learn that in which again the meristematic cells are there which helps in formation of new xylem new phloem throughout their lifespan right next one and between these two the region is there this one we call ground tissue system clear between epidermal and vascular the region is there that we call which one ground tissue system बोलिए इतना समझ में आया first so three types of system epidermal ground and the vascular understood sure now first we are going to learn about that's the dicot okay first we are going to learn about in a detail that vascular tissue system first we will learn that different types of vascular bundle this too we will learn with the section itself clear first vascular tissue system right so in that the basically different types of vascular bundles are there that we will see in the roots and the stem sections right so now first one this vascular tissue system in that the first That is the radial type of vascular bundle. Other is the which one over here? Conjoined, right? Radial vascular bundles that we will see in case of which one? Roots, right? Now, why this radial word is given here? So now, here the vascular tissues, xylem, ये xylem है, and this one is a phloem, right? So xylem and phloem, they are arranged on same, radius. सुना है maths? So here that's the xylem and phloem are there. So xylem and phloem, they are arranged on same radius or different radius? बोलिए वो सेम है या डिफरेंट? सेम मीनिंग दिस वन, बट यहाँ पे एक ही एक्सिस पे अगर दोनों है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? सेम. बट xylem here and phloem on different radius, yes or no? They are arranged in a which pattern? Alternate. Can you make out xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem? So this arrangement we call even which one? Alternate arrangement. Clear? And this type of vascular bundle you will see in case of what? Which organ? Roots. Whether it's a dicot root or monocot root, right? In both you will see this structure, that vascular bundles arranged, vascular tissues are arranged in an alternate pattern. Radial vascular bundles are there, meaning here the xylem and phloem are arranged on different radius. Clear? Next, other type of the vascular bundle is a which one? Conjoint, right? Conjoined, further in that the two types, actually three types है, collateral, concentric, and the third one is a bicollateral, right? Right now you prepare only this thing. आपकी बुक में सिर्फ कोलेट्रल, कंसेंट्रिक और यही पोर्शन दिया है, ये भी नहीं दिया है इन एनसीईआरटी, right? So conjoint के further types right now, that's a collateral and concentric, right? Collateral, in that further two types, it can be open or closed, right? Open and closed given on the basis of the structure. This structure we call vascular cambium. क्या है ये? Repeat. Vascular cambium. You know cambium possessed with cells? मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स, राइट? मान लो कि आपने जो सीड्स ग्रो किए, सो किए थे इनटू द सॉइल, उससे न्यू प्लांट ग्रो हुआ, आज उसका 1 ईयर कंप्लीट हुआ है ना, तो 1 ईयर में उसमें xylem एंड द फ्लोएम एलिमेंट्स फॉर्म हुए होंगे क्या? वही दैट 1 ईयर xylem एंड द फ्लोएम एलिमेंट्स ग्रेजुअली इट्स बिकम बिगर, राइट? दैट्स इनफ फॉर दैट आफ्टर 50 years also? No, for that that's to grow up to that this many years, right? For growth and development it needs what? Much more xylem and phloem element. जितना लार्ज होगा, है ना? आप जब 1 ईयर के थे तब जो खाना खा रहे थे, अभी सेम अमाउंट में खाना खाते हो? नहीं. जैसे ग्रो हो रही, यू नीड्स द मोर रिक्वायर्ड. सेम थिंग, प्लांट्स आल्सो नीड दैट मोर इन अमाउंट. Clear? So gradually the xylem and phloem elements will be what? Grow in a much fast with the help of what? First of all, vascular cambium. Cambium possesses meristematic tissues, and by this way it helps in growth of primary, जो first time grow होगा ना xylem phloem, that we call primary xylem, primary phloem. फिर सेकेंड ईयर जब ग्रो होगा तो उसको बोलते हैं सेकेंडरी xylem, सेकेंडरी phloem. In this way the secondary growth occur. So it helps in which process? Secondary growth. Remember, it helps in which process? Secondary growth. समझ में आया? Right? See, initial up when you have you observed this thing? Initial that's a new plant. आपने प्लांटेशन किया है तो उसका गर्थ एरिया इंक्रीज होता है या लेंथ इंक्रीज होता है? Initially which one? Length increase होता है. Initial which one? Length increase, and after some times or years you can observe what? Girth area increase. जब girth area increase होता है ना, तब याद करना ये vascular cambium के now that shows that role. Girth area increase, new cells are formed, and that due to the new cells formation this expansion process start. Clear? So this one helps in which growth? Secondary growth. Understood? So now here I have mentioned that collateral है, right? First of all, collateral या फिर कंजॉइंट का हम पहले मीनिंग देखें. सो यहाँ पे क्या था, जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम आर अरेंज ऑन डिफरेंट रेडियाई, राइट. कैन आई से दैट हियर सेम रेडियस? यस और नो, राइट. इसका अगर हम सेक्शन देखें तो मान लो कि हियर दिस इज द सेक्शन फॉर द स्टेम एंड इनसाइड दैट द जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम आर प्रेजेंट इन दिस वे. यहाँ पे फ्लोएम है, यहाँ पे जाइलम है एंड यहाँ पे वेस्कुलर कैम्बियम, राइट. दे आर अगेन इन दिस वे ऑल्सो, जो एक्चुअल हमें लर्न करना है. सो मेनी वेस्कुलर बंडल्स आर देयर इन द स्टेम. यहाँ पे वेस्कुलर कैम्बियम है. This dark band is a which one? Vascular cambium, right. Next here the which one? Phloem, and here the which one? Sorry, inner side that is the xylem hota hai, outer is the which one? Phloem, right. So xylem and phloem here both are arranged on same radius or different? समझ में आया अभी, right. Same radius का अगर है तो इसके लिए हम क्या word use करेंगे? Conjoint. Clear. Different radius का है तो क्या word use करेंगे? Different radial, right. Conjoint in that further, there's the two types, collateral, meaning on one side that is the phloem, other side xylem. Outer side पे क्या रहेगा? Phloem, inner side xylem, and between them if this vascular cambium present, meaning it can able to shows the secondary growth, right. So इसको बोलेंगे open form of growth, open type of vascular bundle, right. But if this vascular cambium, can you make out over here? वो blue band है यहाँ पे? नहीं, right. So vascular cambium is absent, meaning secondary growth होगा कि नहीं होगा? No, growth क्या हो रहा है? Restricted. So इसको बोलेंगे closed type of vascular bundle. Clear? If vascular cambium present, what kind of vascular bundle? Open. If absent, we call closed. Understood this thing? क्लोज के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे एग्जांपल लिखा है, दैट इज मोनोकॉट, राइट. बाम्बू तो आपने देखा ही होगा, राइट. बाम्बू लॉन्ग स्टेम है, क्या उसका कभी गर्थ एरिया देखा है आपने? इंक्रीज नहीं. मोनोकॉट है, वेस्कुलर कैम्बियम है ही नहीं स्टेम में, तो कैसे सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ, गर्थ एरिया इंक्रीज करेगा? समझ में आ रहा है. सो इन दैट केस, राइट, गर्थ एरिया इंक्रीज नहीं होता, जस्ट विच वन? लेंथ इंक्रीज, राइट. नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट राइस, wheat, corn, right, मकई, मेज के प्लांट्स देखे आपने, right. In that also this stem always remain in a which way? Thin. Best example sugar cane तो देखा ही होगा, है ना. very thin stem. वो fruit है या stem है जिसका juice निकालते हैं? Stem, right. So very thin stem is there, yes or no, है ना. So in why thin stem? Because vascular cambium is absent. Girth area cannot be able to. Clear? So open type of vascular bundle and the closed. This thing mentioned in your book. Extra में that's the conjoint में और एक type है, that is the which one? Concentric. Concentric meaning, see, either yellow color मान लो that is the xylem and green is the phloem. So in this one, can I say that phloem surrounds the xylem? Yes or no? सेंटर में जाइलम है, पेरीफेरी पे क्या है? फ्लोएम. सो कैन आई से दैट फ्लोएम सराउंड्स द जाइलम? तो नेक्स्ट केस में क्या बोलेंगे हम? जाइलम सराउंड्स द फ्लोएम. आइदर और कंडीशन, उसके लिए दो टर्म्स है, एम्फी वेसल, एम्फी क्राइबल, बट नॉट गोइंग इनटू दैट, नो नीड ऑफ दैट. क्लियर? एंड जो थर्ड इसमें मैंने आपको टाइप बोला था, दैट इज द विच वन? बाइकोलेटरल. विच वन? बाइकोलेटरल. Bicollateral that you can observe in one of the family actually, Cucurbitaceae family. Cucurbita उसका example है main. In that bicollateral क्या होगा? In that two vascular cambiums are there. Sandwich के जैसा. Simple. Both the side braid. यहाँ पे both the side what? Vascular cambium. Center में क्या होगा? Xylem. And periphery पे क्या होता है? Phloem. Right, here the arrangement like this, both the side phloem, then both the side vascular cambium, and center में होता है xylem. This is the third type of conjoint, that is the bicollateral. Clear? Understood this topic? Sure. Roots में कौन सा common है? Fast tell me. For roots which one? Monocot root में Radial. Dicot root, radial. Radial meaning what? Vascular bundles are arranged in a different way. That is in alternate pattern. Yes. Next one. In case of stem, what kind of vascular bundle? Conjoint. Conjoint may be further. That's the divide. That is the which one? Collateral and concentric and bicollateral. Collateral may be further two types. That is open. That is on the basis of presence of vascular cambium. Example: dicot, root or stem? Stem, right? Next, closed type of vascular bundle meaning absence of vascular cambium. Example: monocot stem. Example: monocot stem. Clear? Concentric में हमने देखा either xylem surrounds the phloem or phloem surrounds the xylem, and this is the bicollateral. Clear? Good. चलिए, यहाँ तक कोई डाउट? Now we are going to learn about that's the anatomy of dicot root, right? Anatomy of dicot root, in that, see, all section we will learn in this way, that three types of systems are there. First understand, that is the first epidermal tissue system, then ground tissue system and vascular tissue system, right? Here, that's the epidermal tissue system. In that, epidermis is present. First of all, outermost layer we call what? Epidermis. Epidermis, or else we call epiblema. Generally, roots के लिए जो word use है, that's we call which one? Epiblema, right? That should be covered with waxy layer cuticle. Yes or no? No, right? So just remember our epidermal tissue system. Single layered epidermis is there, or epiblema is present. Second, that is made up of which tissue? Parenchyma. Which tissue? Parenchyma. Second point हुआ, that's the it is made up of parenchyma. Third point, that is in a which shape? I told you, barrel shape. Barrel shape parenchyma are there, and in between the cells, the cellular intercellular space in between बोला ना, तो इसके लिए क्या word use होता है? Intercellular space. Present or absent? Absent. Can you make out दो cells के बीच में आपको दिखाई दे रहे blue color में? No. So these are the points that you have to mention for epidermal tissue system. One more, the last point, that is certain cells of epidermal cells, right, that shows cytoplasmic extension, right, and this part we call root hairs, right? So root hairs are unicellular or multicellular? Unicellular. Can you make out over here? This is the single cell और उसमें से ही extension है, तो ये root hair single cell का projection है या multicellular? So root hairs are unicellular single cell projection. What is the role of roots? Absorption of water and minerals from the soil. What is the role of root hairs? Very good. Increase the surface area for more and more water and minerals absorption. Understood this thing? So this much you will have to learn for which one? Epidermis, right? So epidermis, first point क्या लिखोगे? Tell me fast. Made up of what? Made up of parenchyma, right? Next point, inter और इंट्रा. पहले तो वो बताओ, पहले तो ये बताओ, इंटर आएगा इंट्रा माइनस इंट्रा. Why intra? You know, within the cell or in between the cell? तो between के लिए हम इंट्रा वर्ड यूज करते हैं, इंटर. आपका कंफ्यूजन ये क्लियर करो. You know inter school competition? Yes or no? When I say inter, आप भी बोलते हो इंटर. When I say intra, आप भी बोलते हो. No, concept should be clear, right? In that, inter meaning in between. Inter school competition होता है between two different school or within the same school students? Two different school students, isn't it? So inter space कहाँ पे present नहीं है between the two cells or within the cell? So इसके लिए कौन सा word proper? Inter. Which one? Intercellular spaces. Intra meaning क्या होता है? Within. ये words clear कर दो mind में. Clear है? Sure. Here which word should I use? Inter. अभी कर intercellular space present or absent? Absent, right? Next point. Cuticle. Cuticle absent. Next one. Root hairs. Unicellular present or absent? Present, right? So presence of root hairs. बोलिए ये इतने पॉइंट समझ में आए? Yes or no? Now next one. After that, the cortex ground tissue system. Here ground tissue system. Remember, मैंने क्या बोला था? एक था that is the epidermal. Next is the vascular. Between them, whatever things that we call ground. So cortex should I included in the ground tissue system? Yes or no? Endodermis, vascular tissue meaning what? Xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem and epidermis. इसके अलावा जो भी है वो सब क्या बन जाता है हमारा ग्राउंड. समझ में आया? क्लियर है? तो कॉर्टेक्स के लिए yes और no? एंडोडर्मिस, पेरिसाइकल, पित्त, ये सेंटर पोर्शन को बोलते हैं पित्त. Yes, conjunctive tissues. Yes, clear. Vascular tissue system में क्या होते हैं? सिर्फ xylem and phloem. Understood this? Yes or no? Right. So now the ground tissue system, in that the first layer, that is the which one? Cortex. Cortex is a single layer or multi-layer? बोलिए सिंगल और मल्टी लेयर. इसमें आप ये भी पॉइंट ऐड कर सकते हो कि इट इज अ सिंगल लेयर. Right? Cortex, multi-layered, made up of which tissues? ऐसा नहीं, parenchyma. Ground tissue भी किससे बना है? Right? That is the which one? Parenchyma. So cortex, multi-layered, made up of parenchyma, tightly arranged or loosely arranged? Carefully observe this. Tightly, this is the tightly arrangement. This one is a loose arrangement between the cells. Can you make out the space? Yes or no? कितना भी तो स्पेस फॉर्म है ना. ये दिस आर द व्हाट? स्पेस. समझ में आ रहा है? राइट. सो लूजली अरेंज्ड. विच वन? लूजली अरेंज्ड. दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर कैन आई शो हियर? नो. सो हियर intercellular spaces are present or absent? Present, right? So cortex remember multi-layered, made up of parenchyma, oval or the round in shape. Cells का अगर shape देखे, loosely arranged and intercellular spaces are present. बोलिए जो डायग्राम में दिखता है वही रिप्रेजेंट करना है ना. Next, innermost layer of the cortex that we call endodermis. Which one? Endodermis. Actually endodermis से ये पूरा एंडोडर्मिस है. ये जो सर्कुलर लाइन है पूरा क्या है? एंडोडर्मिस. और यहाँ पे पूरा हमारा है कॉर्टेक्स. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट वन. सो एंडोडर्मिस अगेन. एंडोडर्मिस इज मेड अप ऑफ विच सेल्स? parenchyma, barrel shape, tightly or loosely arranged? Tightly. Intercellular spaces are absent. Clear? Now one more unique feature. तो ये फिर एपिडर्मिस के जैसा ही हुआ. तो फिर इसको एंडोडर्मिस क्यों? इनर साइड है तो एंडोडर्मिस. That is also correct. But here the unique feature is also present. That feature is here that's between these two adjacent cells and even entire walls, radially and tangentially. Radially and which one? That means that corners and the side surface, everything is covered with. That's one of the layer we call suberin. Which one? Suberin. Which one? Suberin. Which one? Suberin. Remember, right? Suberin is deposited over here. तो इसको हम just right now ये simple format में ऐसे represent कर रहे हैं in this form, right? Suberinae deposition is there. Now next is a which one? ये सुबेरिन कैसा हुआ? वैक्सी लेयर. yes or no? तो इट कैन अलाउ द एंट्री ऑफ वाटर. देखिए वाटर यहां से एंटर होना स्टार्ट होगा. फर्स्ट either root hairs to the cells or directly to the cells to the which one? This parenchyma, that is the cortex. Either cell to cell, that will shows the entry, और एल्स बिटवीन द गैप ऑल्सो इट शोज द एंट्री, ऐसा भी मूवमेंट होता है, राइट. दिस टू काइंड ऑफ द डिफरेंट ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम होते हैं. वी आर नॉट गोइंग इनटू दैट डिटेल, एपोप्लस सिम्प्लस जिसको बोलते हैं, बट आइदर सेल टू सेल मूवमेंट होगा वाटर का और विद इन दैट स्पेस. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज अ विच वन, वंस ऑल द वाटर रीच टू द विच वन, ये कॉर्टेक्स तक आ गया, अभी एंडोडर्मिस में आया. एंडोडर्मिस में प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे है, वो वैक्सी लेयर से कोट है, तो वाटर की एंट्री अलाउड होगी, यस और नो. In your book, this feature is not mentioned, but you should remember for the NEET, right? These endodermal cells are work as a checkpoints. Work as a which one? Checkpoints. How much amount of water should enter into the plant, right? That thing is checked by this endodermis layer. Now, because ये तो सारे cells इतना water absorb कर रहे हैं, इतना सारा water नहीं चाहिए plant को, right? So for that, क्या आपको याद रखना है? That's the, oh, this is the xylem, right? Exactly xylem के सामने जो vascular bundle है, sorry, endodermal cells है, over this इसको हम कैस्पेरियन स्ट्रिप बोलते हैं. ये जो मैंने रेड कलर का ड्रॉ किया ना, पूरे एंडोडर्मिस में प्रेजेंट है एक्सेप्ट फ्यू सेल्स, राइट. दैट पोर्शन वी कॉल, sorry, that strip we call Casparian strip. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Casparian strip, and which is made up of suberin. Clear? Next one. So exactly opposite to, remember, opposite to which one? Xylem. These endodermal cells do not have what? Casparian strip, suberin deposition, right? Same. इसके सामने यहाँ पे ये है, तो यहाँ से वो absent. यहाँ से वो डिपोजिशन नहीं होता है सुबेरिन का, राइट. सेम ऑन दिस साइड, दिस सुबेरिन डिपोजिशन इज नॉट देयर. क्लियर. सो नाउ फ्रॉम दिस सेल्स कैन वाटर एंट्री पॉसिबल? ये एंडोडर्मल सेल से वाटर एंट्री पॉसिबल है कि नहीं है? 1 2 हियर 3 एंड द 4, बोलिए. पॉसिबल है, because over there no suberin deposition. These cells, special cells we call, these cells are known as, that is the passage cells. Endodermis के ही है but without Casparian strips, which helps in further water conduction towards the xylem. Ultimately xylem ही तो further route to stem to leaf जाएगा, है ना, for the transport. You know that water transport tissue कौन सा है? That is the xylem, right? So now here that the passage cells are there, exactly opposite to vascular xylem tissues. Clear? Sure. Now next, so endodermis के लिए कौन से points learn करने हैं? Single layer made up of parenchyma. Next, spaces are absent. Next, into single cell हो गया. Next single layer हो गया. Next, deposition of suberin on that tangent as well as radial walls, all sides, but except जो हमने learn किया extra में for the need, that is in the passage cells, right? Clear? Next one, and Casparian strip is made up of suberin. Okay, inner to the endodermis, the two or more layers of, that's the thick walled parenchyma. ये इसकी wall कैसी है? Thick. Remember which one? Thick. So thick wall parenchyma arranged, and this layer we call pericycle. You know that's the taproot system आपने learn किया है. This is the main root. From the main root the branches are arise. तो branches क्या superficial होता है या inner side से आता है? बोले. branches को आप easily break कर सकते हो? Yes or no? नहीं. वो कौन से layer से arise होता है? This pericycle. From the pericycle, the branches formation process start. That is the main role of pericycle. Clear? So pericycle का one of the role is which one? One of the role is branches, means lateral root formation. Lateral roots formation. And the second role of this pericycle, see, ये dicot है. Dicot में secondary growth होता है. Monocot में नहीं होता है. Right? So here secondary growth meaning what? वो vascular cambium चाहिए. Yes or no? याद है ओपन क्लोज स्टेम के लिए जो मैंने करवाया था. सेम थिंग हियर. तो अगर यहाँ पे भी वो वेस्कुलर कैम्बियम चाहिए, राइट, तो वो वेस्कुलर कैम्बियम कौन फॉर्म करके देगा? दिस पेरिसाइकल लेयर. पेरिसाइकल एज वेल एज ये जो कंजक्टिव टिश्यूज है, राइट, दिस कंजक्टिव टिश्यूज एंड द पेरिसाइकल both together they form during secondary growth. It forms this kind of vascular strip over here. वैसे during secondary growth it forms vascular cambium. In that some of the pericycle cells, some of the this conjunctive tissues, this tissues we call which one? जो blue color filling tissues है ना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Conjunctive tissues. Clear? So this tissues together helps in formation of what? Formation of vascular cambium which helpful for secondary growth. राइट, फिर ये जैसे स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा, कैम्बियम रिंग बोलेंगे इसको हम, यहाँ पे रिंग जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है, राइट. सो जैसे ये रिंग स्ट्रिप बन जाए, दैट हेल्प्स इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यू जाइलम एंड न्यू फ्लोएम फ्रॉम दैट, राइट, न्यू जाइलम एंड न्यू फ्लोएम फ्रॉम दैट. नेक्स्ट वन, इनर टू दैट पेरिसाइकल, दैट्स हियर कंजक्टिव टिश्यू एंड सेंटर में क्या है? पिथ. सेंटर पोर्शन को क्या बोलते हैं? पिथ. And then this vascular tissue system is that vascular tissue system में xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem. How many that's the vascular bundles are there? 4 xylem, 4 phloem. इसके लिए the condition जो है उसको बोलते हैं tetrarch condition. Which condition? Tetra meaning what? 4. Tetrarch condition is there. Next, radial vascular bundle होगा या conjoint, concentric, which one? Radial. रूट्स में कौन सा होता है? रेडियल. वेदर इट्स अ डाइकोट और मोनोकोट. अरेंजमेंट कैसा है? अल्टरनेट. सो हियर वेस्कुलर बंडल को अगर हमें रिप्रेजेंट करना है फॉर दिस डाइकोट रूट, दैट इज द विच वन? रेडियल, अल्टरनेट एंड टेट्रार्च, राइट. रेडियल, अल्टरनेट एंड थर्ड वन इज द विच वन? टेट्रार्च, राइट. सो टेट्रार्च, this 3, radial, alternate and the tetrarch. Well, clear, right? Next one more term that you should understand over here, that is stele portion. Which one? Stele portion. Stele portion meaning which one? Core portion. Core portion of the root, right? ये जो 3 सर्कल बनाए मैंने ये डायग्राम में, तो उसमें से कौन सा आप कोर पोर्शन के फॉर्म में लोगे? This innermost circle, right? Innermost circle. So inner to the endodermis. Which one? Inner to the means endodermis. It's not a part. Inner to the endodermis. Remember, pericycle, vascular tissues, and this is which part? Pith. Remember, pericycle, vascular tissues, and the pith together they form what? Stele. Meaning core part. Stele meaning what? Core part. Clear? Stele part is formed by dash, dash and dash. Pericycle, pericycle, vascular tissues. बोलिए. Clear? Understood this much? Sure? Right? चलो.